Have you experienced hair loss or slow growth? Hair loss can be a very painful experience. Do you have a friend or family who is experiencing hair loss or damage? Worry no more. Solution is here. While modern science offers an array of hair growth products, there's a timeless cure, used even before the coming of science. It is simply harnessing the power of nature through simple and readily available home remedies. These age-tested treatments not only rekindle hope, but also provide a holistic approach to nurturing hair health. Make sure you watch this video to the end, not to lose any bit of the magic. And make sure you share this video to help others. It takes nothing to be kind. Also subscribe and like, to always get our life-helping tips. Here are the 10 readily available home remedies to treat your hair loss permanently. Rosemary has been used for ages to grow and take care of hair. It is believed to stimulate the hair follicles and improve circulation. Rosemary paste can be made by infusing fresh rosemary leaves with carrier oil like coconut oil or olive oil, and massaged into the scalp. Results will be visible in weeks. Peppermint leaves and oil are readily available. Its usage dates back into ages. It has a soothing effect and improves blood circulation to the scalp, potentially promoting hair growth. You can get ready-to-use oil or make one yourself with carrier oil such as olives or coconut oil, and apply directly onto the scalp. Onion juice has been used for centuries to treat and grow long hair. Onion juice or oil is rich in sulfur, which prevents hair breakage and thinning. Sulfur is essential for the regrowth of hair follicles. Onion juice is loaded with antioxidants that may help to prevent premature graying of the hair. Onion helps to nourish your hair and prevent hair fall. There's an important message at the end of the video, so make sure you watch till the end for your own benefit. You will also learn how to make these hair growth home remedies. Lavender oil does not only have a sweet fragrance but has calming properties and can reduce stress, which may indirectly support healthy hair growth. Lavender oil can be beneficial for scalp health and may help minimize dandruff and dryness. And if you love that purple tint, then look no further. Lavender can give you exactly that. Lavender oil is readily available and can be easily prepared at home, using fresh lavender flowers and carrier oils, like olive or coconut oil. Ginger helps to improve the circulation in the scalp while also stimulating each hair follicle, which in turn promotes stronger and longer hair. The many vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids in ginger also contribute to strengthening your hair strands to combat hair loss, and it also contributes to restoring moisture loss. Fenugreek seeds is well known in Asia and Africa for its many benefits. It contains protein and nutrients that may promote hair growth and strength. You can simply make a paste by soaking the grinded seeds in your preferred oil and apply directly to the scalp as a hair mask. Aloe vera has been known to do varieties of things. It has moisturizing, soothing and antimicrobial properties, which can benefit the scalp and hair. Applying aloe vera gel directly to the scalp can help maintain a healthy environment for hair growth. Amino acids in hibiscus flowers provide essential nutrients to dormant hair follicles and stimulate new hair growth. Some amino acids also trigger keratin production in the hair follicle cells and contribute to healthy hair growth. The presence of sufficient keratin also prevents your hair from breakage. You can create a hibiscus-infused oil or use hibiscus powder as a hair mask to treat or prevent hair loss. Shea butter has been in use in Africa for centuries and it's tested and proven to work. Shea butter can be used for the prevention of hair loss because it moisturizes and strengthens hair follicles. Its high content of fatty acids and vitamins can help repair and rebuild damaged hair. By moisturizing and strengthening hair follicles, shea butter can help prevent hair loss and promote healthy hair growth.
Clove oil, when applied regularly to the scalp, helps blood circulation, which stimulates hair growth, due to the presence of the compound eugenol and vitamin K. It treats dandruff, flakes, and relieves the itching associated with it, due to its anti-inflammatory properties. It also prevents the graying of hair due to its antioxidants. So, clove repairs, strengthens, and add a healthy shine to the hair shaft when applied regularly. Remember, while these herbs may be beneficial to hair growth, individual growth or experience may differ, and it's very important to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Ensure that you eat balanced diet regularly, and use proper hair care practices to ensure optimal hair growth. If you are experiencing severe hair loss, or any troubling scalp disorders, please consult a dermatologist or a health care professional for advice. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.